Hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today we are talking about how you can use multiple desktop in your Windows 11 system. Okay, so how you can do that? First of all, I'll show you this is the icon. Okay, you can see this icon in taskbar. This icon is perform the task that you want to do, like new desktop. This screen is called desktop. Okay, so we can add one more screen for workplace better workplace. Okay, so just click on add. When you click on add, there it will create multiple screens. Okay, so you can see now we have multiple screens. Okay, desktop 1 and desktop 2. So this is the way you can do it, and also I'll show you that how you can enable or disable it. Okay, so go to the taskbar. You have to right click on taskbar and taskbar settings. When you click on taskbar settings, you can see the task view करके. Okay, you can see the task view. Okay, you can just turn off and turn on. Okay, if you want to. So that's it for the video, for today video. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel. Okay, bye.